everybody, Boone Wyatt with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. Today we're going to be looking at our dining chair in the fourth part of our series and what to do when your chair is unlevel or rocking on your flooring. We've got a couple different ways to tackle this, so without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, so for this task, we're only going to need a handful of tools. First, we're going to need a chisel. Well, what's the chisel for? The chisel is to get our tack glides off of the legs if we need to, right? So first you obviously want to decide which way your chair is rocking, and based on which side needs to be adjusted, you'll take that glide off, right? Let me start by saying this. The easiest way to do this, if you're not picky, is get a little felt pad and put they have some really small 1/4-inch felt pads, and I'll put a link in the description to our video of where you can find these, all of the tools that we use today. But you can put that tiny little felt pad on the bottom of this chair, and a lot of the time, that's all it's gonna need. But if you need to do further, let me show you a couple different ways. So say it's rocking on this leg and you need to add a little height to it. Get your sharp chisel, just very carefully, don't hit the nail underneath, that way you don't dull your chisel, but you can just pry it right out just like that. One of the easiest ways I found to remedy this is get a little 1/4-inch washer, or just any washer that fits underneath your plastic tack glide. And these are just nail-in tack glides. I'll show you where to find those as well. And then you just put that right back in. Grab your hammer, put it back down, and you're good to go. Now you may need to add more washers. You can add, I probably want to add more than 2 washers per leg, but if you need to add another washer here, you can. Now if it's rocking on this leg, keep in mind you can add a washer to this side, or you can add it to the back leg to fix the rocking issue. You don't have to put it all on that one leg. So that's the first way to go about it. The second way is if it's got a really big rocking to it, you can add what they call an adjustable glide, where you install a threaded insert into the leg, and you can thread the leg up and down up to about 1 inch. So let me show you how to do that. So we'll take this glide off, same way, use our chisel, get it under there, remove it. And this is the leg that we're going to install in there. It's just an adjustable little plastic leg, right? So how do we get that in there? First, we have to install this 1/4-inch insert nut, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to need a drill and a drill bit for this. You want to pick the appropriate size drill bit for the insert nut you got. In this case, this is a 5/16 inch. So we're going to take our 5/16 inch drill bit, put it in our drill, just going to drill that out, and then we're going to install our insert nut. Our insert nut, I don't know if you can see that, I hope you can, but it has a hex head. So you take an Allen wrench, and I've got this little nifty socket bit that you can attach to your drill, which is what I'm going to use. Use this right here, put it in there, and this just attaches, this goes into the end of our insert nut, if I got the right size. I'm going to go back to my toolbox, get the right size, and then that'll fit right in there, and we'll put it in. All right, so these take a 6mm hex head. So we're gonna put this to our drill, and they're so much easier to install with a drill. That's why I have this attachment. Doing that by hand would not be fun, especially if you have to do more than one. So we got the insert nut in there, and it's as easy as that. Our adjustable leg will thread right in there. You can have it as low as you want. But like I said, if it's really wobbly or really unlevel on your floor, this can go extremely high. It can go over 1 inch. I think it goes 1.25 inches actually, but you know, you can add this. I probably wouldn't go up more than 1/2 inch. If it was that bad, I would probably actually split the difference and do one on that back leg as well. But you can do this to any piece of furniture you've got. It doesn't just have to be your dining chair. If you've got a TV stand, a dresser, a chest of drawers, and it's wobbling, you know, flip it over. You can do this to any leg in your home. So once again, that's how to level out a chair. All right, everybody, that concludes our video for today. Like I said, you've got 3 options. You can do the felt pad if it's really minute. You can do the washer underneath your tack glide and reinstall it, or if it's really bad, you just add that adjustable glide in there, and that is if it's really bad. And like I said, you can do that to all pieces of furniture. It doesn't just have to be your chairs. You can do your dressers, your chest of drawers, anything that's unlevel in your home due to the floor or the piece of furniture. This is an easy way to level it out for you. So if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to comment below, and we will definitely respond. We'd love to answer any questions you might have. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page, and we will, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and so you can get future updates to our videos. We'd love to keep doing this for you guys, so if you need any of these products, check the description of our video. We'll have links to Amazon where you can find those, and that's just one way that you can help support us so we can keep doing this for y'all. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.